boyfriend gets sick, do I pamper and take care of him? The short answer to this question is yes, I have done in the past. The first boyfriend I had outside of my marriage about 7 years ago, he got sick once, and I went over to his house with homemade soup and gave him a massage. I think we listened to a Joe Rogan podcast together or something. So the answer is yes, I think we take care of the people we care about. But I also think that women tend to have very nurturing relationships with one another. I think it's pretty common in my friend group that when one of us gets sick, we'll send each other really silly get well memes and often an entire Instacart order of things that that person would never buy for themselves. I think when women are going through something hard, it's very common for them to find emotional support amongst their female friends. And that's not the case for men. I don't like the term friends with benefits, but I've had two male friends where our friendship included a level of physical intimacy. And both of them went through something, and I was able to provide a certain level of emotional support that was hard for them to get otherwise because they didn't have partners at the time. And maybe it's because we'd known each other for a long time, or maybe it's because there was, like I said, that physical closeness that enabled emotional vulnerability. And please don't assume that sex is always involved, because it's not. But I think certain levels of physical intimacy, cuddling and comforting, can help men especially to really open up and talk about some of the things that they're going through emotionally, which is often easier to talk about with a woman than a man.